Hi, I'm Jenny.
This is the authentic story of one girl who chose to live in a holler, in a unique desert town, and have my life taped. To find out what happens when I stop holding my tongue and start sharing my world.
The real Parump. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sunshines! How are you doing today? Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I give you the wonderful wild world of Pahrump. I am at Petrick Park to come to the Ruud Center, which you can't see, it's behind those trees. Why? Because we have some of the best craft fairs all around, and today there's a craft fair called Christmas in July, and I'm coming to pick up, as a surprise for my brother, cactus cupcakes. Sprinkled with Love is this bakery that I've been dying to try. I've been wanting to try her for so long, and I ordered these special cactus cupcakes for my brother that we're gonna go pick up today. And I'm gonna show you a little bit about our community center and the craft fair and a mural. And I found painted rocks on the sign in front of Petrick Park. No way though, check this out. For painted rocks in Pahrump. Right in front of this Petrick sign, there's a fairy door. Oh, I'm gonna have to bring something back for a trade. How cool is that? Look at this one. Woo, there goes my dress. It says hello in a little face. The rainbow's looking pretty nice. I don't know about the heart too. Okay, here we are. Welcome to Christmas in July. This is the second best craft fair of the year. The first best craft fair of the year is Spooky Jingles. It's when Halloween and Christmas collide. First glance, I do not see the cupcake lady yet, but let's just take a walk around and see what they have for offerings here at this lovely little craft fair. Now this is also our community center. You can rent this community center. You can see over here is where the kitchen's at. They've got a really nice big kitchen. They have craft fairs here. The quilters come every Thursday here. You can rent this for anything that you'd like. You could rent this to have a debate. You could rent this to have a wedding. You could rent this for whatever you like. I'm not sure how much it costs, but it's available for us as the community. Oh, I have a feeling that the person I am looking for is standing right in front of me. Yes, you! Are you sprinkled with love? Yes, yay, okay! Okay, yes, this is the right lady. As you can see, she makes little push pops. She has all kinds of different cake slices, and I'll include some pictures right here, dun 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 dun, of all the different little things. And look at this! See, I had to get these for my brother. He's going to be so excited. They're little tiny cacti, and I ordered chocolate peanut butter, and she can make any flavors that you'd like. So I just noticed right behind the cupcake lady is a fairy garden. Take a special rock, pick one, and look at all these. Which one should I get? I don't know. That one's looking really cute. The honeybees. I might get the honeybees. And the little skeleton guy is pretty cool. And these are pours. These are interesting pour paints. I don't know. I think I'm getting the bees. I think I'm going to go ahead and take the bees because I'm the bee's niece. Hey, okay, so this man upcycles things and recycles things. And look at this. These are old glass. It's like a vase and a bowl and a little stopper. These are from light poles, electricity poles. Horseshoes. Fairy houses. Bird feeders. Hi. Really neat. You got some neat stuff here. Yeah, gotta do something with all this old stuff. I feel ya. And a little steampunk action going there. Oops, and let's put a card. In case you're interested, you could follow them here, or you see something you like, and send them an email. You got it. Some of the craft vendors do not want to be on camera, which is totally fine. I totally understand that. But here we have my favorite stained glass person, and she's leaving. She's moving to Oregon. So the next craft fair, you will not see her. My father has some of her stained glass. My brother has some of her stained glass. And before I leave, there she is. Hi. Before I leave, I will have to, oh, that owl. That owl is looking pretty exciting. We'll have to maybe pick something to come home with me. Because I just love what she does. And we have jewelry in the house. Oh, handcrafted jewelry. Hi. Parump is just filled with a lot of lovely little things that nobody ever really talks about, and that's why I'm here today. But you're gonna have to just come down. I'll put a blurb for when the next craft fair is on my channel. And here's Jeannie King, and she provides original artwork at affordable prices. It's my desire to provide you original art piece at a great price. Look, all of this. There's cards. There's all kinds of cards. And she's painting live. That's pretty exciting. And then there's all kinds of stuff. Okay, so this is, look, oh, you look great. You look great. And all kinds of hand-felted things. Hand-felted necklaces, hand-felted hats, and then we got this. Yes, I love it. Yeah, that's the one I want. Yes, it looks great. I love it. I love it. It'll be in my videos too. All right, this is who? Quite Time Creations, Jolene Shelton. Okay, so then we have in this room, we've got this lady who does amazing, beautiful acrylics, and you can find her here. Look at that little Bubba. Oh, she's so cute. And they got coasters and tumblers, and we got quilters over there, and we got quilts in this room, and then there's another room over there you'll go to. There's crafts everywhere. Here is the scrapbook lady, and these are the most unique scrapbooks I have ever seen. I don't know, you tell me at home. Look at this little one. And they're all handmade, and everything's upcycled, correct? Yes, everything's upcycled.
The card. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. From cereal boxes.
Oh, wow. A 1918 encyclopedia. The cover's gorgeous.
I didn't want to do anything to it because I didn't want to ruin it.
I know, me either. I didn't do anything to mine either.
Oh, so like the original insides, those are, everything has new insides.
Except for what's called an alternate book, which is what this is. It has the original pages in that came with the book, and that's an old book. And what happens is you fold them in such a way that it makes pockets and tucks, and so the whole book is altered.
And it's filled with special.
Oh yeah, okay, I can see this. Oh, it's obvious as soon as you open it up.
Yeah.
As compared to, oh, look at that. Oh, how super neat. Now, will you guys be at the Spooky Jingles?
Yes.
Okay. We have about 3 or 4 craft fairs a year, and then everybody kind of shows up. Now, are you together or separate? You just do the same thing-ish? They're besties? Oh, okay, so this is one table. And then, oh, here we go. I'm including everybody's business cards because, you know, somebody might be watching from afar and be like, oh my gosh, I want to buy that for Jenny and send it to her. P.O. Box 9364, Pahrump, Nevada. So then we have the classic old-fashioned Raggedy Ann and Andy, and they come in different little dresses, and they're very reasonable. And this is her business card. And then over here we have the quilting lady. And who makes dog collars and pillows, and these, I don't know if you folks know about these are amazing inventions. I don't know how long they've been around, but they hold your bowl getting in and out of the microwave. I actually have a few of these and I use them all the time. They're so handy. And she just reminded me you can use it for ice cream too, for cold things. It's to be on camera. See, I'll even talk about how you don't want to be on camera.
These are cell phone bags.
Oh, there's cell phone bags and little.
Makeup bags.
And little clutches. Oh, and you got water bottle bags? Ah, look at that. Yeah, and then we got wreaths.
Those belong to these lovely ladies over here.
Oh, the wreaths are off to the side, a different person, but that's okay. And then there's the lady who I buy scarves from all the time. She has the most amazing crocheted scarves and things. I love her patterns. For the clutches, this would be the Pixie lady and her information and email. Emotional baggage. Who was that one? Random crap. I love it. These are the wreath ladies. If you're interested in the wreaths, this is where you will find them. And this is my favorite shawl lady. And yes, I have a favorite shawl lady. Don't ask me why. Just because everything is so gorgeous and beautiful. And her information. And you see me wearing these shawls in the wintertime because it is definitely hot right now. This is where she will be. This is where she will be in the next little bits. And look, there's the dates for Spooky Jingle we were wondering when I walked in. Because that's... Okay, I got a hat. I'm gonna go get some cash for the window. Don't really have the finances for this, but a piece of wearable art that matches all my color scheme and my lovely hat schemes. I had to do that. I just had to. So I will make it up. I'll get rid of something. But now off to GIUSA because I gotta get a gift for the Christmas in July. This is Bob Ruud. Hope I'm saying that right. Please forgive me if I'm not. And they have a mural dedicated to him on the side of our community building, which was built in 1960. Our town's tourism office was awarded $8,000 in 2020 as part of a grant. The grant was made possible through some special funds, through some special acts that were going on that year, and they were administered by Nevada Division of Tourism. The grant criteria was the messaging, stay safe to stay open, be clearly visible with the artwork. This is a photo of the mural when it was completed. This is a photo of the mural today. For the record, the message is gone. Well, that's an interesting observation. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Okay, I think there's a crazy storm outside. Oh my gosh, I can hear it. Oh my god, can you see this?